gentlemen, you're watching Startup Central, and on National Startup Day at Startup Mahakumbh's curtain raiser event, which is currently underway in New Delhi, we caught up with key industry leaders and government representatives. In fact, the member of the National Startup Advisory Council, Prashanth Prakash, also of Axel, he shares how the multi-day event aims to help founders and startups in the national capital and, of course, the nation. Let's listen into what he had to say.
I think we as a country have made a lot of progress. This is National Startup Day, and on that day it's a proud moment to see that as an ecosystem we have gone from being just a new place for innovation for India to now a powerhouse for innovation for the rest of the world. That we just have to take it to the next level. I think there's a lot of domestic capital that is starting to make its way into the startup ecosystem. The public market IPOs have helped. But I believe what we really need is really a good complement of global capital in areas where you need a lot of long-term gestation, right? Whether it's biotech, robotics, R&D-led manufacturing, IP-led manufacturing. So some of these areas require capital that has a slightly longer term perspective. So deep tech funding especially is something that we need more of, and I'm hoping it will be a complement of what we can get from policy initiatives from the government and also global capital, which is looking at India as a powerhouse for innovation in deep tech. But this year it's really going to be bigger and larger in multiple dimensions. We will have emerging areas, like I said, robotics, cybersecurity, advanced manufacturing, and many areas that were not there last year. We also expect to see a lot more global participation, 50 plus countries, and I think it will be both in terms of scale and in terms of participation, the largest startup event in the world, and we're very confident of making this Mahakumbh the preeminent global startup event.